Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average salary of a cleaner in Pakistan? The average annual gross salary is 1,580 US dollars, or roughly 132 US dollars per month. After deductions, the average net salary is 1,564 US dollars, or about 130 US dollars monthly. In Karachi, pay is higher. A cleaner there earns an average gross salary of 1,975 US dollars yearly, or roughly 165 US dollars per month. The average net salary is 1,955 US dollars, or about 163 US dollars monthly. This difference can come from city costs, employer type, experience, and working hours. Hotel and industrial cleaners may earn more than entry-level workers. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.